If I see people here watching, then I can release this tip. Then next time I can come also live again to show you, or make a separate video. I don't need to make a separate video. I will just come live again to come and show you, how you're going to use these live strategies to make enough money, if you are a type that to have small RPM making videos. Some people have €2 or $2 RPM. It's too small. But this particular strategies I'm going to show you, you're going to have like €10 RPM. Believe me, I'm not even joking. I'm not joking. That's why I like to go live again. If you want to make money, this is for you. So come, let's talk about it. If you're the type that doesn't like to go live, this will be another way you can start to be going live, and you will thank me later. I'm not going to stay long. I've not even say hi. I've not even say somebody who say hi to me. I've not even say hi to me. So if you want me to go with my message, I will go with Tito and come live next time. Yes. So let me just give a small tip, because my break is about to finish. Let me just give a small tip. You see, if you want to make money on YouTube, you have monetized your channel and you want to make enough money, start to be going live. Do you know why you must be going live? I am live now. Okay, I may like to stay here, like if I have time I can stay like 1 hour, 2 hours as I like. But as I'm going live, maybe if I'm cooking, I can come live, and as I'm on the live where to do some cooking thing, people will like to watch. That is very interesting. You know, when it reach that time, I will click on my there. If you are the live, you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will see that these six things here. When you go live, one is to color it, to make a color, to change the color. One is to turn it maybe to face, front or back. Another one is to cut your videos. So you need to cut your videos in pieces, and when you cut it, can have like 4 minutes, can have like the highest it can have is 5 minutes. Okay, so this 5 minutes or 4 minutes video is a powerful video. It can give you a lot of RPM and CPM. This is a strategy. I said, what? Why am I wasting my time making videos, editing and everything? I said, no, not lie. Because you know, the thing that marvels me is the video will not even have enough views, but you will see the RPM will be enough, a lot of money. And the CPM they will be sometimes paying like 20 euros. RPM will be like 15 euros, 10 euros. I say, what? So if you can push that video out, you're going to have a lot of money with that 5 minutes video. I'm telling you the truth. You know, it is too easy. You can say, oh, is it only this thing? It is too easy, but you waste a lot of time making videos. You don't go live. The long one can remain. The long one, you may not even have enough money from it. Yeah, that one will be aside. But you know, if you stay like 1 hour or 2 hours, it can cut like most important talk you are discussing on your live stream or your cooking thing or whatever unboxing. Cut out the most important places. 5 minutes, 4 minutes. When you cut it out, allow it to stay unlisted, like 3 days, 4 days. Begin to post it gradually. My friends, hey, you are going to make like money, like more crazy money. You are going to thank me if you try this. So I'm not going to stay long. I'm going out because my break is over. I will come next time and show you the proof of what I'm saying. If you want to see the proof of what I'm saying, comment in this live.